It's me, say for people Brox, the British Tucker, and now I suppose you're wondering what a Yankee screwdriver is. Well, that is the Yankee screwdriver that I just bought from Timu, and take the elastic band off. There we go. What we're going to do, I'm going to take one of these screwdriver bits. Let's take this one, because it's a cross point, and we're going to put it in here. So we're going to pull that all the way down like that. There we go. That's in. And now we're going to push this up and down. There we go. And it pushed the screw in. And if we flip that the other way, like that, we might be able to, yeah. It doesn't do very tough screws, but it will get them in and will get them out. So probably not ideal for a big screw like that, but does work.